Note that each part is assembled and connected. Seals and clamps are required. First, assemble the copper gourd head. Wear white gloves to hold it. Pay attention to the temperature of copper gourd head. The mouth should face forward. Connect and tighten with a clamp. Put on the seal ring. Next, assemble the pure copper mesh column. Still use the clamp to tighten. Next, assemble the elbow. Tighten it with a clamp. Now assemble our condenser tube. The condensing pipe is facing backward to facilitate subsequent water pipe connection. Still use the seal ring and clamp to tighten. Next, assemble the essential oil separator first. The valve of the essential oil separator is facing downwards, and the liquid outlet with a seal ring, and clamped with a clamp. The assembled one looks like this. Now continue to build the machine. Next, we will assemble the air pressure balancer. Fix the corresponding size of the seal ring. Then take out the pre-assembled essential oil separator. Continue to assemble. Still use the seal ring and clamp to fasten it. Finally, install the thermometer on the copper gourd. Note that the thread mouth is wrapped with Teflon tape. The assembly is completed.